and I'm being accused of being with 2 or 3 other suspects or some shit that I ain't even, I come here by myself, and I've offered to go in the store and let them roll the cameras back to see that I come here by myself. I'd like to talk to a supervisor, because this is uncalled for. This is against my constitutional rights. No, hell no, he wasn't being respectful to me. He coming up telling me not to put my hands in my pocket. I'm trying to show him my keys to my vehicle. Them dudes ain't not a damn thing to do with me. When I walked in the store, dude I was coming out of the store. I paid for my shit and I was coming out of the store. He comes running up to me talking about the police, this and that. I said, what?
Hey.
Welcome back to the channel. Today's video takes place in Elizabethton, Tennessee, where a man shopping alone at Walmart was harassed by police for no reason at all. The officers falsely accused him of being involved with other suspects and repeatedly questioned him. Even though he had done nothing wrong, watch how he calmly stands his ground, defends his constitutional rights, and forces the officers to acknowledge their mistake. But first, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on this interaction.
These officers are harassing me at the Elizabethton City Police Department. I've done no wrong. I've come to Walmart by myself, and I'm being accused of being with 2 or 3 other suspects or some shit that I ain't even, I come here by myself, and I've offered to go in the store and let them roll the cameras back to see that I come here by myself. I mean, why didn't you have one of your officers do that instead of falsely accusing somebody? That would be the right thing to do. Buddy, you didn't see me walking in with nobody. That dude come up walking.
You said that you were with him. You said that you'd been working with him for the last 3 days.
No, I said that dude worked for me 3 days prior to this. 2 weeks ago, buddy. I'm being harassed for no reason, man. That's uncalled for, man. I didn't do jack shit wrong. I'd like to talk to a supervisor, because this is uncalled for. This is against my constitutional rights. I'm about to call my attorney, Don Sprell. So this is bullshit. Look here, man. This is against violating my constitutional rights, man.
Which constitutional right?
Violate my constitutional right. They come ask me my name for no reason. I ain't done no crime. I've not committed no crime.
Which constitutional right we violated?
The Third Amendment. Because because I've not committed no crime to be harassed.
Listen to me. Are we being respectful with you?
No, hell no, he wasn't being respectful to me. He coming up telling me not to put my hands in my pocket. I'm trying to show him my keys to my vehicle. Them dudes ain't not a damn thing to do with me.
Calm down. It's a safety issue, okay? My name's Officer Tolley. I'm going to be respectful with you as long as you're respectful with me.
Yes, sir,
okay?
I understand. I apologize. He's got me irate because he come up irate with me.
You were cool with me, man.
I know, man.
I understand. That's just an officer safety issue. He didn't mean any intent by it, okay?
And I don't mean no intent by it, fellas.
And I understand that.
But I don't have a damn thing to do with them dudes. I was in the store shopping. You can ask the big dude that works in there.
Hey, nobody said you're in trouble, did we?
Yeah, but the dude that works in there, you know what I'm saying?
We're being cool with you.
You can go in there and ask him. When I walked in the store, I was coming out of the store. I paid for my shit and I was coming out of the store. He comes running up to me talking about the police, this and that. I said, what?
Hey, has any of us said you're in trouble?
No, but I'm just saying.
Exactly. We just had a couple questions.
Listen, I know that dude. I don't even know his fucking name. You know what I'm saying?
I just had a couple questions for you, okay? So you didn't pull up in this van with him?
Hell no, I didn't pull up my fucking van.
This is your...
Yeah, that's my vehicle.
Okay. Did you see this van pull up?
No, I did not. I was in the store. You can pull the cameras up and watch the cameras.
Okay. That's all we need to know, okay? I apologize for...
Do you have the keys to this?
Yes, I do. Yeah, I do. I sure do. Yes, sir. I sure do. That's the way the dealer. That's the way they give it to me. That's the way the auto auction give it to me.
Is that why you read?
The auto auction give it to me like that, bro.
That's cool. That's cool. You're doing as you want to do.
Listen, bro. Hey, listen, fellas. I didn't commit no crime, man.
None of us said you did. None of us said you did.
Hey, and I apologize, man. I got irate for no reason, and I'm sorry. I apologize to you guys. But listen.
If you get on the public roadway with that tag on your vehicle, you can't get pulled over.
I understand that, but so I'm going to register. I just got the title Friday, so I'm going Monday to register tomorrow.
Take the tag off the vehicle.
Yes, sir. Okay. Am I all right to get home, or am I all right to get home, or
Do you have a bill of sale that says that you just purchased it?
I do. Yeah, I do.
Then yes,
I just purchased it last week.
Okay, then I would take that tag off that vehicle, and then if they pull you over, you tell them that you just purchased the vehicle, and that they gave you a tag.
It come from the Virginia Auto Auction. Where it come from?
Man, I'm telling you. Regardless of wherever you bought or however you obtained this vehicle, that tag is fake.
Okay.
Clearly fake.
Yeah,
It doesn't have an issue by it, doesn't have a dealer, it doesn't give your name, it doesn't have anything required information that would be on that tag in order for you to be able to split it.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? Take it off before you leave.
Okay. Will do, buddy. Will do. I'm going Monday to get I'm going Monday. Are you guys good? Or am I good to go? So you're saying that? Come here, man. I'm curious now. You're saying this fucking van here?
Yes, the guy that came up to you and said that he was running from the police or whatever. All right. He said that, or he is going to be associated with the person who just ran from us that's now being arrested. Okay. Obviously, the fact that you said that you were with him, and regardless of if you understand me or not, okay?
I misunderstood you what I
Okay.
did, and I apologize.
That's,
I was
I
kind
get
of
lied to all the time.
Yeah,
Understand what I'm saying?
I was constantly thrown in the mix there of
I
something
understand.
that I didn't have nothing to do with. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, if I was approached by the police and I asked if you two were together and you weren't with that guy, the first thing that I would say is, I don't know this guy. No, I'm not with him.
Well, I know him, but I
Because
don't know
obviously-
him. He worked 3 days for me, and
like
I,
I said,
never
if
come back.
If I asked you if you were with him and again, I'm not going to get circled back on it. Okay.
I apologize.
What I'm going to explain to you, right, is that if you are able to identify him, or if you are able to find out where he is, then I would appreciate it if you were able to contact the law enforcement so that we can make contact with him to talk to him. Okay.
Yeah, and like I say, I don't know I don't even know his fucking name. His name's Derek something, ain't it? That dude over there that he's with, he knows him.
All right, like I said.
That's what I was asking your officer. I said, what do I need to do? You know what I'm saying? I don't want no trouble. You know what I mean?
He's got felony warrants out of prison.
That dude does. I don't know that dude. I don't know that dude from Adam.
Wow, dude. Ain't no way.
That's
Ain't no
what
way.
they give it to us at the auction. Right?
So to explain to them that
There's no way that
dealer information.
there's no way it's
That's what,
legit, dude.
that's where they come from.
You better get this registered. And
I'm going through Monday morning.
That's what. Oh, Monday never comes, does it?
No, Monday morning for real.
Because you get stopped right there, get cited. You pull out of here, you'll get stopped.
I know.
There ain't no way that's legit.
So what am I supposed to do?
The unregistered vehicle looks like. I mean, the tag is obviously like been forged.
So what am I supposed to do?
Go to the D.
So leave this thing sitting here? Is that my
Get it
best
registered.
bet?
I'm telling you, I know you got to drive the business, but I'm telling you, man, you get, especially a trooper, you get stopped, you get 8 up tickets. Because I mean, you forged that. Somebody forged that, Henry. That is not from any legitimate business. Would never have one like that. Ain't no way, man. Ain't no way auto auction do that even.
Yeah, but see, I got tied up in the mess. I got tied up in the mess with somebody else.
I'd say you run around with this cat.
Yeah, I don't know that dude.
Yeah, but you know him.
I don't know that dude from
We can't positively put you in the van he was driving, but you know him. You said you know
I
him.
know the other dude that was with him.
The other dude.
Yeah, and I don't even know his fucking name. He worked for me for 3 days, and his name's Derek something. I think he,
Where do you live? Are you local here?
Yeah, I live-
Elizabethton, Clark County?
yeah, I live for the game. Yeah.
Just play it straight, man. Get that tag, get that fixed, man. We run the VN, make sure this don't come back stolen.
That's fine. It's not stolen.
I'm telling you, that's a bad. We see a lot of it. Tip tags.
Yeah. That
Altered.
flipped me out. He come up to me.
But that's bad altered, man. You didn't even
I
do a good
apologize.
job on that one.
Hey, I apologize to you, man. I truly do. And yeah, there's no disrespect.
200 yards away, maybe.
No disrespect, man. No disrespect at all, and I truly apologize, man. But I didn't know what the hell was going on. You're talking about you driving a black Honda Odyssey. Yeah, I'm driving a black Honda Odyssey. I'm thinking my vehicle's a black Honda.
He was a driver, and he had at least one
Obviously,
passenger.
the first thing he said was, "I drive a black Honda."
Yeah, I drive a black Honda. I said, yeah.
Just not a van.
Yeah. I'm sorry, folks. I truly am, man. You know, it throws me off, though. It did. It throws me off. I was like, what the hell? Are you saying, don't put your hands in your pocket? I'm trying to get my keys.
One mistaken, but you're not like all this video out here. It's not going to show you getting out of that van.
No,
Okay,
sir.
we're just saying because you know how many Walmart's got hundreds of cameras.
Yeah, hell yeah, they got cameras
all
on
over
the
the
parking
place.
lot and the inside. Hey, bro, point the cameras. I promise you, you will not catch me getting out of that van. I don't know that people from that van.
That's fine.
And I'll stay here now as long as y'all tell us anything. Thank you. That's all I ask you to do. Remember what I asked you.
Can I ask you one question? Did you see him put the tag in the trunk?
No, I didn't. No, I was in the
In
store.
the video, it looks like he puts the tag in the trunk.
I was in the store.
Okay.
If you watch the video, you'll see I was already in the store. I went back to my vehicle.
That's fine. That's the case. That's fine.
You're good.
In the end, this video highlights the importance of knowing your rights and staying calm in tense situations. The man in the video firmly stood up for his constitutional rights in the face of unnecessary police harassment, reminding us that everyone deserves to be treated fairly. If you found this video eye-opening, be sure to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss future videos on civil rights and similar events.